Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. We happy with our results? Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. They every weekend. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. She in a software company. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. Your message. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. He is job last year. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. We excited for the trip. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. The birds in the sky. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. She tea every morning. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. I from my mistake. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. He his homework daily. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. She a story every night. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. I a letter to my cousin. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. We to the museum last week. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. They hard for the exam. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. He not play the piano. Option D is the correct answer.